Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you scan anything like any barcode, any document. How can you scan that? So in this iPhone, you will get an scanner inbuilt, but you can scan only on your QR code or your barcode, but you cannot scan any document on this. So how can you do that? You just have to go on your Safari browser here and click for the Google Lens, and this is Google Lens. In Google Lens you can transfer, you can get language change, you can get anything by scanning the document on your Google Lens. And the third option is to use a document scanner from App Store. You can download a document scanner here, like document scanner, and you can download Adobe Scan for this in your iPhone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.